Okay, pups are, I guess, 13 days old. Tomorrow they'll be 2 weeks old. And as you can see, they're getting pretty big. What are you doing over here? You're still sleeping? It's puppy number 1. It says, I'm still sleeping. Maybe I should get a clue. Maybe I should go have some dinner. Let's see, can I turn over? There we go. There we go. Gotta make up my mind here. Okay, here I go. It's time to go. Here I'm gonna try to walk. Maybe. Wrong side of Mom. There's everybody else. We have 2 pups. One with their eyes open and one with them half open today. What are you doing over there? You gonna climb? You gonna climb over Mom? I don't know. It's a mountain. There I go. Mom's gonna lay on me. Alright, I'm gonna just climb. That's what I'm gonna do. Here I go. Oops. Oh, goodness. I'll find my way. There we go. I'll find my way to dinner. I just didn't hear the dinner bell ring, and I'm late. Good girl, Rubes. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good mama. Getting big. One to the left, that's puppy number 3, little female. And then the one on the right, that's puppy number 1, little male. And I think puppy number 4 over here on the end has fallen asleep. And who do we have? We have puppy number 2. She has her eyes open, but can't see it right now. Oops. I just finished eating, and now puppy number 4 is going into a food coma. Puppy number 1 late to the dinner table, making up for lost time. Let's see. There we go. There's puppy number 2 under there. Puppy number 3, I think she fell asleep. Okay, puppy number 4, you have your eyes open. Why don't you look at me? Here, let's see if we can get your eyes open. Come on. Let me see. Come on. Can you open them up and look at me? Or they're partially open, but I don't think you want to do it right now. Where are you going, sweetie pie? Huh? Where are you going, sweetheart? This is puppy number 2, and she actually has her eyes open. You look at the camera? No, I don't. I'm going to go to sleep in this corner. Oh, what was that? There's your mama. Yeah. Hey, pretty girl. There's your mama. There's your mama. Oh, let's get some comfort here. Let's go. Yeah, sweetheart. Yeah, that'll work. A little comfort food. Good girl, Ruby. Yeah, I know. I'm upsetting your babies. I'm trying to wake them up. Come on. Yeah, she says, leave them alone. I want to rest. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see what is here. Hi, sweetie pie. You don't like this camera in your face? Alright. And when I get much action. Maybe later. Good girl, Rubes. Yeah, I know. Good girl. Poor baby. Yeah. Let's see here. Well, this is pretty good. You can kind of see the brown in this one's coat coming in. You can see it's getting number 5. Oh, that shows it pretty good, I like. Yes, I'm camera shy. Alright. Little piglets is what they look like. Little piglets. Oh. Got our eyes open. Ruby says, you want that, sweetie? Oh, this one's got her eyes open. Yeah.